Google, in collaboration with Samsung and Qualcomm, has just announced Android XR, a groundbreaking platform that extends reality in ways we've never seen before. Imagine glasses and headsets powered by Gemini AI, completely transforming how we explore, connect, and create. This isn't just another wearable. It's a window into the future of computing, and I'm beyond excited to break it all down for you. Stick around as we explore the incredible features of Android XR and why these new glasses could soon become a part of your daily life. Why Android XR now? For decades, we've interacted with computers through screens, monitors, laptops, tablets, and phones. But the next frontier of computing doesn't need a screen at all. Enter Android XR, designed to extend reality and transcend the rectangular box we've stared at for so long. Google's vision for Android XR is to integrate computing into our environment seamlessly, enhancing how we experience the world. The timing is perfect, with technologies like AI, augmented reality, and next-gen hardware converging. At the heart of this revolution is Gemini AI, capable of processing real-world inputs and interacting with the physical world in unprecedented ways. What is Android XR? Android XR is optimized for two form factors, and glasses. Headsets, ideal for immersive experiences like gaming, 3D sports, or exploring places through Google Maps and augmented reality. These are episodic devices designed for specific activities. Glasses, lightweight and sleek, these are everyday companions. They offer real-time information, translations, and directions, all in your field of view. Whether you're navigating a city or performing daily tasks, these glasses act as your personal assistant. The power of Gemini AI. What sets Android XR apart is Gemini AI. This AI doesn't just process commands, it understands context, delivering tailored advice. For example, imagine asking your glasses, "Hey Gemini, which dish is spicier, the beef bogie or bibimbap?" while dining out. Or when cooking, you could ask, "Does this steak look done?" and receive instant feedback. Gemini bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds, making interactions seamless. Augmented reality at its best. Unlike virtual reality, Android XR overlays digital information onto your real-world surroundings. Imagine visiting a new city. Your glasses guide you with real-time navigation while offering historical insights about landmarks. It's like having a personal guide without ever pulling out your phone. Hands-free productivity. Android XR revolutionizes productivity with hands-free assistance. Need to hang shelves? Ask, "Hey Gemini, how should I hang these shelves?" and get a step-by-step guide. From cooking to car repairs, the potential is limitless. Google Apps in XR. Android XR enhances existing Google apps like YouTube, Photos, and Maps. Watch videos on a virtual IMAX-like screen, relive 3D memories, or navigate the world in AR. These apps are reimagined for immersive experiences. The first Android XR device, Project Muhan. The journey begins with a headset, Project Muhan, built in collaboration with Samsung, launching next year. It promises to transform work, play, and daily interactions with digital content. The future of AI and wearables. With Gemini AI and Android XR, wearables evolve from novelties to essentials. Glasses and headsets will seamlessly integrate into daily routines, making life more efficient and connected. That's a wrap on Android XR, a revolutionary leap in technology that blends the physical and digital worlds. Are you ready to embrace the future of AI-powered wearables? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next video.